Hi, I'm Alison. I'm part of the Movement Matters team at Rethinking Pain, and today I'm going to show you a few mobility exercises to get the muscles and joints working. It's perfectly normal during exercising to feel a little aching in the joints and muscles. This is perfectly normal. Anybody exercising for the first time or that hasn't exercised for a while will feel this as they get used to using muscles they haven't used in a while. All the movements we're going to do today can be done in normal clothes, whatever you feel comfortable in. So we're going to start with a little shoulder shrug. So we're just going to take the shoulder just nicely up and nicely down, just moving it up and down. And we'll do this 4 times. 2, twice more. And then lift over to the other side. So we're just lifting and lowering so the shoulder is coming up towards the ear. And back down again, 4 more times. And then we're going to take it into a shoulder roll. So we're just going to circle those shoulders backwards, lifting up towards the ears and circling back. And as we do that, we're just going to bend the knees, looking forwards, back tall, tummy in nice and tight. 2 more. And rest there. Let's take the heel now. So we're going to take the heel into the floor and the tip of the toe to the floor. Just moving the heel and the toe. And as we do that, we can combine the arm as well. So we're doing a little bicep curl on the arm, bringing the hand in towards the shoulder. We'll do 2 more of those. And then let's move over onto the other side. So first of all, just the heel and the toe, heel into the floor, tip of the toe to the floor. Mobilizing the ankle joint, and then let's add the arm in at the same time as we bicep curl, arm up towards the shoulder, twice more, and then we'll rest. Hold the feet back to parallel and we'll take a nice knee lift on the right leg. So we're just lifting the knee up towards the chest and back down. Now it might be that you can lift your knee quite high, or it might be that it's only a gradual movement. But everybody's different, so however you move your knee, that's perfectly fine. Just try and take your knee in front of the body and releasing it down. And then we'll switch over to the other side, so just bringing that knee in towards the chest and relaxing it down. Back tall, tummy in nice and tight, knee in front of the body. 2 more, and last one. If you're not feeling that you can do these freestanding, it's perfectly fine to hold the back of a chair or back of a wall while you're doing these exercises. We're going to move on to a hamstring curl now, so the heel is going to come up towards the bottom. So we're just taking the heel towards the bottom, back tall, tummy in tight, working the hamstring at the back of the leg, moving and mobilizing that joint. And then we're going to move over onto the other side, taking the heel again towards the bottom, back tall, tummy in, shoulders back. Again, if you're not feeling that you can balance, you can hold onto the back of a chair or a wall to help support you while doing the exercise. 2 more, and last one. Standing now with your feet parallel and toes pointing forwards, we're going to take a little hip circle around to the right hand side. So we're just going to circle with the hips. Keeping the hips facing forward, mobilizing through those hips. And then we're just going to circle the other way. Back tall, tummy in nice and tight. And then we're just going to squeeze that pelvis forwards and release. So we're getting a full range of movement through that pelvis and through those hips. So all the muscles and joints are mobilised and working. And from this position now, we're going to take the hands in front, hips facing forward. We're going to turn to the right hand side. So we're going to turn to the right and then to the centre, to the left and back to centre, over to the right and back to centre, left, right and centre, left and centre. 1 more each side. And then hold it here back to the centre. Let's place the hands on the hips and we're going to take it to a side bend now. So over to the right and up to centre, over to the left and back to center, hips facing forwards, back tall, tummy in nice and tight. Let's do one more each side. And rest it there. And finally, let's mobilize the head and the neck. So with the head looking forwards, we're just going to turn to the right and then back to center, over to the left and back to center. And then just a tiny glance up, but not taking the head too far. And then just looking down, looking up and looking down. And hopefully those exercises have helped get your joints and muscles moving. Thank you.